Dear children, today we have discussed about the exercise number 1, fourth question. Given question, insert three rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 5. So what is the rational number, children? A number which can be written in the p by q form is called a rational number. Okay, children? And next solution, the rational numbers between a and b is a plus b by 2. Children, the rational numbers between a and b is a plus b by 2. This is the concept in this sum. Okay, first let a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, first case 1. What is the formula of children? That the given two rational numbers between a plus b by 2. So a plus b by 2. What is a, children? 2 by 3 plus what is the b? 3 by 5 by 2. Children, what is the LCM of 3, 5? 15. Okay, understood? And 15 table 3, how much times cancel? 5 times. 5 into 2. Again, 15 table, 5 table 15, how much is cancelled? 3 times. 3 into, what is the numerator value? 3 by 2. So 10 plus 9 by 15. This is the children. The reciprocal must be transposed in the denominator. So 15 into 2, 30. Now what is the answer, children? 19 by 30. This is the insert of the 3 terms, the first term. Next again second. Again. So children, again we have to write in the a value 2 by 3. Again. Okay, next again we have to b value. We should find the value of a plus b by 2. In the first case 19 by 30. So 19 by 30 we will write in the b. Consider to have to b 30, 19 by 30. Again we should convert in the formula. We should find the formula. What is the formula? A plus b by 2. Don't. So what is the a? 2 by 3 plus 19 by 30 by 2. Again 30 in comma 3, which is the LCM part. Again, there is no understand. We should do in the rough column 3 tables 10 times and 1 time. So the LCM is 30. So 3 table, how much cancels in the 30 10 times. So we should children we should write in the direct. Why? Because in the by above the model in this case. So we should write above. So for the 9th class children, we have got it in the 9th class. So we should do it in the direct methods. So 3 table, how much times cancels it? 10 into 2, 20 plus again 30 table, how many times? 1 time. 1 into 19 by 2. Again 39 by children. So reciprocal 30, so 60. This is the second insert of the rational number. Next. Third one again every time we should write in the a value 2 by 3. Don't change in a value. Okay, children? So we should change the b value. Why? Because we should find the second insert value. We have to let the b value. b equal 39 by 60. Again we should convert in the formula, children. A plus b by 2. Okay, what is the a value? 2 by 3. And what is the plus b value? 39 by 60 by 2. So children, what is the LCM? There is no understand. We should do the rougher column 60 into 3 table 20 times and 1. So answer is LCM is 60. So again 60 table 3 table, how much times cancels? 20 times. 22 is 40. Again 60 table 60. 1 time is the cancel. 1 into 39 39. That is equal to 79 by 2 must be again 79 by 120. That is equal to 79 by 120. Children, these sums are insert 3 rational numbers. What about the insert 3 rational numbers? 19 by 30, 39 by 60 and 79 by 120. So last step, therefore insert 3 rational numbers. Insert 3 rational numbers. Children, 19 by 30 and 39 by 60 and 79 by 120. 120. Okay, children? Alright, sir. Next sum we will do in the next topic. Continue the class. Okay, dear children, next continue the topic. Second exercise. Fifth question. So, what is the square root of the 4? So, root 4 value. What is the square root of 4? 2. What is the square root of 9? 3. What is the square root of 16? 4. What is the square root of 1? 1. Okay, children? But in the value of what is the square root of root 5? So, we should not perfect value. So, we have to do it in the division method and we should find the square root of root 5 value. So, by solution 5, we should division. Children, we should perfectly divisible by not write in the 1 5 of 5. So, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4 and 3 is a 9. So, 3 is a 9 is the biggest value, but we have to use in the value for 2 2s are. 2 2s are. So, we should write in the same value also, children. 2 2s are 4. Okay. If you write down 2 value and if you want to again require the value for 2, 1. If you write the 3, if you want to write the 3 and you don't write in the next number. Okay. 2 2s are 4. So, 1 value. So, 2 is the double the value, children. Every sum we have change in the quotient, double the value. So 0.00. Every time we should do make the 2 digits is children. Actually by upper the value 00. So we have to down the value to 2 digits in the sum. But point makes a 2 digits. So 4. So which is the required value in the nearest to we have to divisible by 100. So what is the about? For example 42 2s are 42 into 2. What is the children? 84. So 84. But required value for 43 into 3. 43 into 3. 3 is a 9, 4 is a 12. So the biggest value. So we cannot use in the 43 into 3. So we can use in the 42 into 2. Again children, we have to use in the 2 if we want to require the value for the same value 2. Okay? So 42 2s are 84. Again, next what is the value children? 6 and 1. So we can point next that how many digits are down the values. So this is the zeros. 0 0. Again, the totally what the value 22. 22 is the double the number. We have to write in the divided place value. Children, again first 2 digit is the 2 double. Again total 22. We have to write the 44. Again we have to require the value for the division by 1600. Again how many times you are cancelled? Children, we can use the first is very important. 44. Again, wait the value for 3 into 3. 3 is a 9. 4 is a 12. 4 is a 12. That is 1, 3, 2, 9. Again, children. So, for example, the required value 4, but the biggest value we have not cancelled. We have not divisible by required value for biggest value. So, we have to use the value for 3 only. 3 only. So 4 4 3 into 3. What the value children? 1 3 2 9. So what is the required value children? 2 7 1. Again we should do in the 2 digits. 2 digits. Again totally we have to convert in the double and the 2 double 4 2 4 3 double 6. Again, next what can we use in the required value for division for 2 27,100 again. So children, we have to use in the 2.23 235 235 again. So 4465 into 5 5 by the 25. So 30 32 20 23. So 22. So we can use in the required value for, but we should not remind the value for 0. So we should do in the so on repeating decimal. So children, find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimals. So root 5 value is the what is the children? Up to root 5 is 2.23. Again repeating decimal, we must write in the 2.236 also. But in this case some 2.25 so on. So repeating this 2.26. Okay, thank you children.